How many Korean letters do you really know? Don't worry, you are going to read Korean today. Let's start. This is ah. It sounds like ah. Let's say it together. Ah. Ah. Nice. This is 기역. It's called 기역. At the start, it sounds like G. Like G in go. 그. At the end, it sounds like K. Like K in book. The first sound and the final sound are already in the name. That means the letter tells you how to read it. You know 기역 and you know ah. Try reading this. G at the start, 그. A in the middle. So, 그 plus A goes 가. 가 plus 읍 goes 가. You know, you just read Korean. Very nice. Now, this is all. It sounds like all. Say it with me. All. Great. This is 니은. It's called 니은. At the start, it sounds like N. Like N in no. 느. At the end, it also sounds like N. Like the N in sun. Try reading this. N at the start, 느. Now add A in the middle. So, 느 plus A goes 너. Now, add the final sound from the letter name. It ends with N. So, 너 plus final N goes none. Nice work. Now, let's mix them. Try reading this. N at the start, 느. A in the middle. So, 느 plus A makes 나. Add the final K sound. Now, it's knock. Easy, right? Great job. Try reading this. G at the start, 그. A in the middle. So, 그 plus A goes 가. Add the final N sound. Now it's 간, 간. Nice. Try reading this. N at the start, 느. A in the middle. So, 느 plus a goes 나, 나. Add the final N sound. Now it's 난, 난. Great job. Now, change the vowel. Try reading this. G at the start, 그. A in the middle. So, 그 plus a goes 가, 가. At the final K sound. Now it's 가, 거. Great. Try reading this. And at the start, 느. A in the middle. So, 느 plus a goes 나, 나. Add the final K sound. Now it's 나, 너. Try reading this. G at the start, 그. A in the middle. So, 그 plus a goes 가, 가. Add the final N sound. Now it's 간, 건. Very nice. Try reading this. N at the start, 느. A in the middle. So, 느 plus a goes 나, 나. Add the final N sound. Now it's 나언, none. Great. Now, let's read them all together. I'll give you 10 seconds. Read them out loud. It's okay to go slow. Ready? Go. Okay, now listen to me. 각, 낙, 간, 난, 컥, 넉, 건, none. How many did you get? Even 2 is great. If you read them all, that's amazing. Right now, you are reading Korean. This is ending sentence. 넌 이미 읽고 있어. 넌 이미 읽고 있어. You are already reading. You just read Korean. I'm very proud of you. Thank you for coming to Merry Hangul. See you next time. 안녕.